Hi Karic, this is Hunter from Medford Lithia Volkswagen. Just wanted to show this 2017 Ford Expedition to you just a little bit closer. This one has the 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 Ecoboost. So this has about 365 horsepower and 420 foot-pounds of torque. Let's take a closer look at this. Looks like down below we have the LED fog lights. I measured these Wrangler Goodyears for you. Looks like they have about 7/30 seconds in the front and 8/30 seconds in the rear. I can find out what these came with new as far as tread depth so we can know exact amount. Let me look at a little closer. Maybe closer to 8 on the front. 7, 8 right in there. Looks like this one has the steps to get in a little bit easier. Should have this unlocked so we can take a peek inside. Looks like the black cloth interior. We'll get around there to the driver's side here in a second. Looks like this one has the rear climate control back here with the vents in the roof for the second and third row. Walk around here to the rear so we can see the cargo room in the back of this Expedition. This is the XLT tow package. Here you can see the backup camera. Let's open this up. See all the cargo room back there. So there's 2 cup holders for the third row on this side and 1 cup holder on this side. And then you have that second row that will fold down as well if you really want a lot of cargo room. Now let's walk around here to the driver's side. Looks like it has the roof racks. Has a code you can punch in if you don't have your keys with you. Looks like all the power windows, power locks, mirrors. So this one has an auto light feature. You shut this so it doesn't beep anymore. Stereo controls, CD traction control, downhill descent. Here's your 4-wheel drive. Looks like we have an auto mode for the 4-wheel drive. All the climate controls. Shifter here in the middle. So it's a sync system. So you got a USB auxiliary here in the middle. So this one's right on 51. A little low on fuel here. It looks like we're 51,915 miles. We have the steering wheel controls here. But overall, that's a quick look at this 2017 Ford Expedition XLT. Anyways, if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to, again, continue texting me, or you can always give me a call too at 541-774-7513. That's my office, or you can even give me a call on my cell phone, which is 541-941-3875, and you can always text me at that number as well. All right, thank you. We'll talk to you here pretty soon.